again, I want to add one finishing thought here. Our professor has often said on seminars and different classes that you have to sharpen the tool. You get better by drilling, repetition. Sharpen your tool. Makes good sense. I've heard some people say they can't sharpen the tool because they can't even find the toolbox that the tools are in. One simple reason for that: we hide the toolbox. This is not a given toolbox. You have to earn the right to look inside that toolbox.
Sharpen the tool, man.
Keep it hateful.